Today is Wednesday, and today it's public holiday here in France because we're the 11th of November. I hope you're doing well. It's been a while since I haven't talked. Maybe I haven't said welcome to a new video. I have no idea, guys. The plan for this week are huge. I have to work on my secret project coming in December. I didn't find quite some time to do it, so I really have to work on this one, otherwise I'm going to be way too late. We also have another project with Tom, which is to build some website and e-shop for all the little shop here that just don't have any website or something like that. So we are working on that. We went to give them some papers and information about what we are going to do for them if they want to. So we worked on this. I'm also working right now on a personalized sticker, which is a mushroom label. So this is super exciting. And apart from that, that's pretty much it, which is already a lot. Today, well, this week it's a uni week. I'm having online classes. We are working also on a project for this one. So basically, I have a lot to do, and being on a public holiday today is a great thing because hopefully I'm going to be able to work on everything that I have to. Apart from that, guys, I'm really sorry if the content is kind of the same every week. I don't really know, but I have two problems about that. The first one is I'm in lockdown, so obviously, you know, and the other one is because some of my projects are secret, so I can't really tell you about it. Hi guys, it's me from the editing actually, and about the secret project I'm telling you about, they kind of change a bit. They're not that secret anymore. I was planning on doing an advent calendar in a way. I'm not going to explain you why I'm not doing it in this video because you will see that in the next video actually, but I'm going to do a shop update. The first one will be on Saturday the 28th of November, and there will be another one on December. So that's pretty much it, but just for you to know, because I'm gonna tell about secret projects that are not secret anymore. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. So I'm gonna continue working today. This afternoon I have a few interviews to do for my design classes, and then I'll work on some sticker probably, and all the other projects. Yeah, and also I have to film my video about organization this week. Don't really know when I will do that. Maybe tomorrow. Well, I don't have time. I should do it today. Or Saturday. That could be cool. I have to edit also because I really need this weekend to work, so I have to edit my video for this weekend as soon as I can. So yeah, sorry if the quality is a bit lower. It's because I'm getting my iPhone repaired. I have a little problem on the camera that was really annoying, and because the warranty is until December, I wanted to make sure that I'm gonna repair it. So for now I'm back to an iPhone 7 Plus, as good old days. If you already followed me a year ago, a year ago, or a year and a half. So sorry about that, but that's how it is. Yesterday I did some mushroom sticker for Tom's mom. It's like labels, so she can put them onto little pots she does with mushroom that she collects in the forest. You liked it pretty much, so I decided to make it a proper sticker and to sell it on my shop. Apart from that, I worked for uni this morning. I did some interview and stuff like that.
We'll never be the same. Going back to tell you riding around with nothing on. Staying at your parents' house, acting like there's nothing wrong. Going back to tell you sleeping with the TV on. Darling, so solidified. Oh, I know it won't be long. Oh,
Hey there people, I know it's been a while. I don't know when did I film or when I didn't. I think I didn't film anything yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, so I think the last time I filmed might be Thursday, but I'm not sure. On Friday, actually I had a lot to do between school, freelance project, my shop and everything, and I'm actually not taking enough time for my shop. Finding the balance is very complicated, guys. So yesterday I filmed a bit overwhelmed by everything. And yeah, on Friday it's a night where we cook for Tom's family. So yeah, we cooked yesterday. It was delicious. I actually didn't film anything, and I even didn't took any photos, which usually never happen. But yeah, you know, sometimes you forget, and that's not a bad thing. This morning we work on freelance stuff with Tom, and I received my order from another story, which I really love. This is how it looks like, and I really love it. This is navy blue. It looks black, but it's navy blue, and I love it. I love the top. I love everything. I have another top that you'll see later on this video. Oh, another one. So yeah, I didn't film that much, and I'm kind of sorry about it in a way, but in another way I really didn't have anything to film for you, because I didn't really work on my shop. I did a bit, as you've seen, but not that much, and I worked a lot on school, so online classes are a bit boring for you to watch. So that's pretty much it. So I have no idea how long this vlog is. Might be really short, but maybe that's alright, because I'm always doing like big videos, so it's okay. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna film today or tomorrow, and if it's gonna be in this vlog or not, so we'll see. But I think the vlog is gonna end here. Let's see.
wonder if you spend the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall, I don't please fall.